Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great amidst this festive season and are having a great time with your friends and family. So I was supposed to upload a video a few days ago because I had filmed a Diwali makeup look, but unfortunately that file got corrupted in my phone and I couldn't upload it. So I ended up making an Instagram reel. I posted on Instagram and I got like more than 5,000 views. If you are not following me on Instagram, you definitely should. I will leave the link in the description box and mention it here on the screen. So coming to today's video, I'm going to do a product review. If you have read the title, it's a kajal for Blue Heaven that I recently purchased and it's a part of their new collection. So if you're interested in knowing more about this affordable kajal, my thoughts on it, whether it's a good one or a bad one, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start with the review right away. Before that, I would like to mention that this product has been purchased with my own money. This is not come in PR or anything like that. If you hear any background AC noises, I really apologize, but I do not know what's up with Bombay's weather. Like it's already mid-November और मतलब पसीने छूट रहे. Like literally, I'm sweating while filming this video. So yeah, I am really apologize if any noises you hear in the background, but please excuse me. So coming to the product, this is Blue Heaven. It's called the Blue Heaven Walk Free Kajal. So this is how the product looks like, and it says that it is for 80 rupees. So if you have been watching my videos, I had already uploaded a walk free eyebrow pencil. So they came out with two ranges and I don't remember the names. I'll mention it in the description. So there was one which was like 150 rupees and one was like half the price when it comes to the eyebrow pencil, because one had a spoolie, one did not. And in kajal they came out with two variants. One is a normal kajal and one is like you have a sketch eyeliner at one side and kajal on the other side. So I wanted to buy this kajal for a long time. I was not sure. Then there was a sale on purple, so I got this for like 48 rupees I think. So yeah, I got the kajal and I have tried it once and I do have my opinion, so I will share that as we go along, as we go along in this video ahead. So let's talk about the packaging. Like I showed you, it comes in this normal packaging. All the information is mentioned here. Now it says how to apply, starting from inner corner, mark a neat stroke on the waterline, extending outward. Do the same for the upper lid if you wish to. So they are trying to say you can use it as a kajal and an eyeliner. Now, other than that, nothing really is mentioned. One thing notable about Blue Heaven is that their products are affordable and they are also cruelty free. So I have used a lot of their products. मैंने अपने इस channel पे review भी किया है. I will link the Blue Heaven playlist. You can watch some of my reviews I have done in the past. Now on the front, it just says long stay, smudge proof and waterproof. So yeah, this is how it comes in the packaging, and the kajal is nothing fancy. This is how it looks like. Here it's just mentioned Blue Heaven Walk Free Kajal and you get 0.31 gram of product. थोड़ा सा कम है comparatively to I think L18 and other brands. So yeah, that's what is mentioned. And the shelf life of this one is I think 3 years because I bought it in 2020. It says 820 2023, which is really good. Now if you look at the kajal, कुछ खास नहीं है, plain है, but 80 rupees में आपको यही मिलेगा. So it's a twist up kajal, so very nice, चापन करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. So the thing about this kajal is that it came with a pointy tip, which was kind of nice. So I used it for the first time and I went to use it again, and guess what? The tip has broken off. Can you see it's gone like flat? So yeah, that's that. So let me just do a quick swatch on the back of my hand. So I'm really scared that it's going to break. So this is how the kajal looks like. It looks very nice when I swatch it here, but there's a different story when it goes on the eyes. So I'm going to demo this kajal on my eye. For that, I'm just going to powder my face and be back. As you can see, I'm really sweating. So yes, please stay tuned for the video. Okay friends, so I'm going to go ahead and apply this kajal on my eye. Like I told you, the tip has broken, so let's see what happens. I'm just looking into my mirror for that. So this is what you get. So I'm not happy with the formula. Like when you rub it on your hand, it feels very creamy and nice. पर जैसे आप अपने वाटर लाइन पे लगाओगे, इट्स वेरी ड्राई और ड्रैग होता है, थोड़ा सा मतलब स्क्रैच भी करता है. I'm just going to do the other eye on camera. कैन यू सी? नहीं लग रहा है ज़रा भी ठीक से. लाइक आई हैव टू लिटरली गो लाइक दैट and just kind of scratching my eyes and making it water, which I hate. So I have used like the cheapest kajal from Blue Heaven, जो कुछ अभी 25 रुपए का मिलता है. I think that kajal is better than this one. So I'm just going to continue applying the kajal now. Friends, so I'm back after applying the kajal. This is what I have achieved so far. So I would say if you're applying on your waterline, first of all, because it's scratchy, वो ठीक से लगता नहीं है, and you will end up putting it on your lower lash line, which is what I mean. I'm okay with that, but honestly, सब waterline पे तो लगाते ही है, right? So I'm not happy with that. So I have gone ahead and achieved this look so far. I'm going to use my trusty pencil brush, and I'm just going to try and smoke it out because that is a look that I really like. So I'm going to go for it. Okay friends, so I'm back after applying the kajal and kind of smudging it in the lower lash line. So let's talk about what I feel about this kajal. Okay, so good thing is it comes for 80 rupees, but to be honest, there are many other kajals. Like I love NY Bay, I love Stay Walkie kajal, I love L18. They are really nice. मतलब इसके मुकाबले वो काफ़ी अच्छे हैं, and the reason is that it's quite soft to apply. Eyes are a very sensitive part on our faces, and whatever we apply on our eye needs to be comfortable. तो मुझे ये काजल definitely comfortable नहीं लगता है. Like if you swatch on the hand like I showed you, it looks jet black, good enough, but when you apply it on your waterline you will get that scratchy kind of effect. And this has happened with me like 2 times before. Like ये पहली बार नहीं है जब मैं ये काजल कैमरा पे अप्लाई कर रही हूँ, but I still wanted to do a demo and see if I have changed my mind, या फिर ये प्रोडक्ट कभी बेटर हुआ है टूटने के बाद जो टिप है. But no, I feel the same. It's quite scratchy. So when you apply it on your waterline, like if I do like that, you can see it has applied, no doubt, but I had to make an effort. It did not glide very smoothly, and then I ended up putting it on my lower lash line because I wanted to do like a smudgy liner look. Secondly, when I use my pencil brush, so I had to literally थोड़ा एफर्ट करना पड़ा उसको स्मोक आउट करने के लिए, क्योंकि इसका सिंपल रीज़न है that the formula is very drying. So I hope they improve the formula if they come out with a better version of this one. Coming to the smudge proof part, like I have applied it, but smudging बहुत ही कम है. Isn't it amazing? But I wish, and I really wish that it was good enough on the eyes. So yeah, this is what I think about this kajal. Like smudge proof everything है, लेकिन फ़ायदा क्या? Because it's very difficult to apply it on the lower lash line. So in order to make sure that I was right about my judgment, I went on Amazon, I checked few reviews, and most of them said the same thing. Some of them said the tip broke off, and some of them said it's drying. So I kind of agree with them now that I have tested it in front of you guys, and I have done it like a personal test during the course of this week. So I'm really disappointed by this kajal. If I have to suggest it, I definitely wouldn't, because there are many other brands जिससे भी अच्छा काजल बना रहे हैं. Nowadays there are so many affordable brands, like L18 का 135 का 90 rupees का कर दिया. I really like that kajal, and I also like the Stay Quirky Badass kajal. That is my absolute favorite. And the second one is the NY Way kajal. You easily get that for like 78-68 rupees whenever there is discount. So I'm kind of disappointed in this product that मैंने बहुत एक्साइटमेंट से खरीदा था, एंड स्पेशली बिकॉज आई गॉट अ डिस्काउंट्स. आई वाज लाइक यस, इट्स गोइंग टू बी अमेजिंग, बिकॉज आई नो आई हैव यूज्ड ब्लू हेवन प्रोडक्ट्स इन द पास्ट, like the kajals and stuff. Like even their 15 and 20 rupees वाला kajal is much better. You know why? Because it glides smoothly on the eyes. But इसमें formula का problem था. I found it quite dry, scratchy, and it kind of made my eyes water. However, when I apply the kajal, there is no such reaction like मेरी आँखें जल रही है या ऐसा कुछ बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. So that way it's fine. But overall, I think this kajal definitely I would not repurchase, and I would not recommend. So this was my review of the Blue Heaven Walk Free Kajal. It's quite affordable and it's easily available online. but then for the reasons cited, I will definitely not repurchase. Hi friends, so this was my review on the Blue Heaven Walk Free Kajal. I have mentioned everything in the video, so if you have made it to this part of the video, really thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, because I do a lot of videos related to beauty and lifestyle. Well, I would say more of beauty because I'm a beauty blogger. So definitely consider subscribing to my channel. If you have used this kajal, please mention your feedback in the comment section. I would really love to know. Also, let me know which is your favorite kajal. This was a very honest review. I hope you liked it, and please come back and watch my other videos as well. I will see you all soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.